cause is only an idea limited to this waking world. This is very simple to see and understand. Very simple to put in words, to hear it. But the entire work lies in seeing this moment to moment to moment. This now is nothing but Satchidananda. Again, the next now is nothing but Satchidananda. Again, the next now is nothing but Satchidananda. Beingness, knowingness, equanimity. Diving deeper into it, moment to moment to moment, that is the work that lies ahead. So if someone asks about the origin of this waking world, the cause of this waking world, the time and place which was the cause of this waking world, it is an invalid question. Why? Because time, space, cause, effect, origin, what are all these? These are all waking world ideas. They are limited to the waking world. Why am I showing it like this here on the left hand side? Because I know now from my Swapna Nidra Jnana Sadhana that there is not just the waking world, there is the waking, the dreaming, and the deep sleep. I have recognized in my Swapna Nidra Jnana Sadhana that there is waking, dreaming, deep sleep, and I am the fourth. I am beyond. All these concepts, all these ideas are simply limited to the waking world. So I'll repeat again. Let's examine this idea of a cause. Just this idea of the cause of this waking world. This idea itself is limited to the waking world. This idea of a cause is nothing but Satchidananda, because it has arisen in the now. It appears in the now, it disappears in the now. Yeah? And we just saw there is no separate subject that is having this idea. The subject, the object, the waking world, all of it is simply one. There is no two. Yeah? If you've had a glimpse of it, then only you can move ahead. If you've not had this glimpse only of oneness, can you move ahead? No, it will be theory for you then. Do you see this? So you have to constantly evaluate your own self. Do I really get what Ekta is saying? Have I really seen this? Is it my truth?